Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal assured the national capital is not on lockdown yet. However, it will undergo the same if the need arises. He urged people to cut down on morning walks and stay indoors as much as possible. Also, at least 50% of buses will not function in Delhi on Sunday, 22nd March, during the Janata curfew, Chief Minister Kejriwal informed. Supreme Court will hear on March 23rd, Monday, petitions seeking removal of the anti-CAA protesters from Shaheen Bagh as it's causing inconvenience, along with fresh petitions for immediate evacuation of protesters from the area in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak. The Railways informed that at least 12 people who have been infected with the COVID-19 travelled in trains between March 13th and 16th. The Railways asked people to postpone all journeys to avoid contracting the highly contagious virus. Meanwhile, the Railways has said that it will suspend services on 22nd March to observe Janata curfew. Local trains will also be limited in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Secunderabad. Uttar Pradesh government has massively cut down on Ram Navami celebrations and no outsiders will reportedly be allowed in Ayodhya amid the coronavirus outbreak. In addition, no bookings will be allowed at the Yatri Niwas and Hotel Dharmshala Lodge in the district. The administration has banned both crowds gathering at temples in the town and mass bathing in the Sarayu River. India has ramped up testing for COVID-19 by including all pneumonia cases as well. Earlier, testing was limited to symptomatic patients with travel or contact history and symptomatic health workers with contact history. In an advisory to hospitals on Friday, the government also said that no suspected COVID-19 patient should be turned away. Telangana Rashtriya Samiti MLA Koneru Konnappa, who travelled to the US this week, has been issued a notice by the district collector of Asifabad after he did not follow home quarantine norms even as India witnesses rising cases of the deadly infection. He was seen attending a social function and a political meeting despite being put on home quarantine. Actor-singer Kenny Rogers has died aged 81. He died at home in Sandy Springs, Georgia. He was under hospice care and died of natural causes. He is remembered for memorable hits like Lucille, Lady and Islands in the Stream. Rogers sold tens of millions of records, won 3 Grammys and was a superstar in the 70s and 80s.